We might be in position for maybe a late 7. Late 7, let's go. A 7.96 is crazy. Damn. Poor fans. They just paid to see a guy get wrecked in like 8 seconds. Lil Mac's that strong.